step forward into the darkness of the Wabet. Can you smell it? The scent of myrrh, incense, and the cold touch of death. Today, a pharaoh becomes a god, and you are the one who will open the gates of eternity. Do not tremble. Anubis is watching. Look at the table. The body is cold, but the soul is still near. Take the obsidian blade, one precise cut, no mistakes. The lungs, the liver, the stomach. Place them into the sacred jars. They belong to the four sons of Horus now. But the heart, stay your hand. The heart remains. Without it, he cannot face the scales of Ma'at. Now, the white salt, natron, cover him completely, like a mountain of snow. We must wait 40 days for the flesh to dry, for the water of life to leave the mortal shell. Look at the pyramids through the slit in the wall. The sun sets in blood red. Time is different here. In this room, the past and the future are one. The skin is now dark, like desert leather. Begin the wrapping. Tight, precise. Every layer of linen must hold a secret. Place the golden scarab over the heart, the amulets between the folds. We are not just wrapping a body, we are weaving a spell that will last for thousands of years. The golden mask is ready. Lower it. Look into those obsidian eyes. Do you feel it? The air has gone cold. The shadows on the walls are moving. Anubis has arrived to claim his prize, whispering, "The ritual is complete." He is ready for the underworld. Suddenly excited. Wait, did you see that? The eyes, they moved.